The world of finance and investment has changed. Blockchain, decentralization, and artificial intelligence set new standards of investment efficiency and security. Now most investment decisions on markets are executed by trading algorithms. Trading algorithm is a program which follows a defined set of instructions for placing a trade in order to generate profits. This is extremely fast and effective trading, which is not influenced by human emotions and errors. Every successful investor would love to have a reliable and profitable algorithm for private use. Quantor makes this possible. Quantor is an ecosystem that combines the investment algorithms marketplace and an educational online platform for developers of algorithms, quants. Information on performance and development history of an algorithm is stored in a blockchain. Trading algorithms are protected from any external changes. Thus, no one can fake the result of trading algorithm performance. All the necessary information about an algorithm will be transparent and true. The platform will be provided with all the tools for creating their unique algorithms. The same is true for learning. Our mentors support the developers all the way through the algorithm creation. Algorithm passes all the stages of testing, including trading against live market conditions on crypto exchanges. Angel investors provide the early stage funding for testing algorithm, and in exchange receive a fixed share of the future profit from the use of algorithm on the platform. After successful trading, the algorithm is placed on the Quantor marketplace. So every successful test algorithm becomes available to investors for further use. Now imagine a platform where trading algorithms available for investment are constantly created and improved. Every investor can choose an algorithm or a portfolio of algorithms depending on the expected risk and return. Every member can buy a token of the Quantor project, enabling him to be a part of the ecosystem, invest into trading algorithms, and access the platform services. It will be an ecosystem of constant creation and improvement of trading algorithms, and the marketplace where one is able to invest in these algorithms more securely and conveniently than ever before. Quantor, the future of investments in a decentralized economy. Join the future right now.